Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the pleasure boat. So here it is, the pleasure boat, and I've always wanted this set because it just looks so cool. But I did get the canal boat when I was little, so as I already had one boat, I didn't get this one at the time when it was out, but it was always one that I thought if I could time travel, I would go back in time and get this. But luckily I managed to find it on eBay and it was for £45, which I thought was a really good price. But it is used and it's missing the paper pieces, but apart from that it's in great condition, and I thought maybe I'll be able to find the paper pieces somewhere else, like some sellers have like spares, so I wondered I might be able to find it. But if not, I'm not too worried because all the other pieces are there. So on the box it shows this set with the brown Dalmatians, another family that I wish I had, because as I had the normal Dalmatians, the black and white ones, I didn't get the brown ones at the time, but now looking back I'm thinking I wish I'd got them. And then we've got a picture on the side and some more pictures of the inside on the top. So you can see it comes with quite a few pieces, and the top opens up, and then on the back it shows that it comes with a cable and hoops so that it can connect to the rowing boat and accessory set, which I also have, so that is really good that I'll be able to connect the two together. And it says, "Take the wheel and navigate the waterways of Sylvania." And then we have a bit about it here. A beautiful old-fashioned wooden style boat that gently cruises up and down the rivers and waterways of Sylvania and even out to sea. The Marita May unfolds to create different decks and play areas with lots of storage compartments. There are specially designed areas for fishing, cooking, sleeping and sitting. Comes with boating accessories. So now let's open it. And also here is the contents on the box, I forgot to show you that. So what mine is missing is these paper board games and maps. So here is the boat, and then in this box we have all of the pieces. So we have got a ladder. In here we have some fish, because it said that they like to fish on their boat. And we've got some cups and bread. We've got lots of pieces in here. And I really love the life jackets. I think they look really cool. We've got a flag, which goes on the end here. And then some pans and cutlery and kitchen bits in here. It's even got a toaster. And that is everything. So we have a frying pan, a toaster, a ladle, a spatula, 4 knives, 5 forks, the ladder, which I've already shown you. I'll get these pieces out of here. We've got 4 little red cups, 2 fish, and 2 slices of bread. And they can go in the toaster. A fishing rod with a fish on the end and another one. A mop, a saucepan and some more pots and pans. A kettle. And here's the lid for the kettle. Red binoculars. A bucket. A piece of cloth, probably a tea towel. 2 life jackets. I think they're really cool. So I think these probably would be for the children to wear, as there's only 2. and 2 rings, and they go on the side there. Oh, and I think this is to connect the rowing boat, and we have some plates for 4 of those, and this lid to go on here. So we have everything apart from the paper pieces, and we've actually got an extra fork. So it looks really cool. And now I'm going to connect it with the rowing boat and accessories set. And I'm going to choose a family to live on it. So I think Seaside Cruiser Houseboat should be owned by the Seabreeze Columbus Rabbits. And then that leaves the canal boat and this boat, the pleasure boat. And I think I was choosing between the otters and the beavers for those. And I think the otters will have the canal boat and the beavers can have this, the pleasure boat. So here are the beaver parents, the beaver children, and the beaver baby. And then here is the canal boat, which is currently at the seaside here in the sea. And now we're going to swap that for the pleasure boat. It looks so cool. So now let's add the rowing boat set. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!